Take a ride in the 2025 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo with class. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, daytime running lights. Come take a test drive today.